Welcome to Maexology. Today's video, we are going to look at the 13 coolest gadgets you can buy. As usual, the links to the products are in the description below. Sit back and enjoy watching. The pocket-sized all-in-one maker device built for creators, tinkerers, and tech enthusiasts. Powered by the ESP32-S3, it combines a vibrant AMOLED touchscreen, built-in sensors, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, microphone, speaker, rechargeable battery, and expandable GPIO pins into one compact device. No messy setups, no endless wiring, just code, upload, and build instantly. Whether you're prototyping smart gadgets, experimenting with IoT projects, or creating portable demos, KodeDot makes innovation fast, simple, and fun. Compatible with Arduino and ESPIDF, it's designed for beginners and pros alike. Carry your entire electronics lab in your pocket and turn ideas into reality anywhere. Take your mobile content creation to the next level with the Synco XView M4 selfie monitor. A smart wireless rear camera monitor designed for vloggers, streamers, and selfie creators. It magnetically attaches to your phone, letting you use your high-quality rear camera while viewing yourself in real time for sharper videos and better framing. With ultra-low latency screen mirroring, up to 50 meters transmission range, and a 3-hour rechargeable battery, the XView M4 is perfect for TikTok, YouTube, live streams, and travel content. It also includes a Bluetooth remote shutter for hands-free shooting, making solo content creation easier than ever. Compact, lightweight, and beginner-friendly, it's the perfect upgrade for any phone creator. Meet Koham Mower, the heavy-duty remote-controlled mowing solution built for professionals, landowners, and anyone tackling tough terrain. Designed for slopes, overgrown fields, orchards, roadsides, and large properties, Koham mowers combine powerful engines or electric drive systems with rugged crawler tracks for maximum traction and control. With remote operation, steep slope climbing ability, wide cutting decks, and high productivity, Koham makes dangerous or exhausting mowing jobs safer, faster, and easier. Whether you need to clear dense brush, maintain commercial land, or manage rough landscapes, Koham delivers industrial-grade performance with smart technology. Built for serious work, made to conquer any ground. Meet Wyze Window Mount, the smart accessory that transforms your indoor camera into a discreet outdoor monitoring solution. Designed for compatible Wyze cameras, it mounts directly to window glass and helps reduce glare and reflections, giving you a clearer outside view without exposing your camera to weather. Perfect for watching driveways, front doors, yards, or package deliveries, the Wyze window mount offers a simple no-drill setup while keeping your camera safely indoors. It's compact, easy to install, and a cost-effective way to upgrade home security with a cleaner, smarter mounting solution. Meet Nanoleaf Skylight, the premium smart modular ceiling light designed to bring the feeling of natural daylight into your home. Each flush-mounted square panel delivers an impressive 1,400 lumens, giving you bright, even illumination with reduced shadows. A standard 3-panel starter kit outputs around 4,200 lumens, enough to light bedrooms, offices, kitchens, or living spaces with ease. With an adjustable 2,700 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin color temperature, you can switch from warm, cozy tones at night to crisp daylight whites during work hours. It also supports 16+ million RGB colors, dynamic animated scenes, music sync, and smart scheduling for mood lighting or automation. Compatible with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, SmartThings, and Matter/Thread ecosystems, Skylight blends powerful functional lighting with immersive smart home control. Meet Wyze Body Scan, the advanced smart scale that brings pro-level body composition tracking into your home. Unlike standard scales, it features an extendable handle with 8 electrodes, hands plus feet, to analyze your arms, legs, and torso separately for more detailed segmental measurements. That means smarter insights in fat, muscle, and balance across your whole body, not just total weight. The large 4.3-inch full-color display shows your stats instantly without opening an app, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth automatically sync data to the Wyze app, plus Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit. It tracks 13 health metrics including weight, BMI, body fat percent, lean body mass, muscle mass, water percent, bone mass, metabolic age, visceral fat, and heart rate. Meet Roborock Saros Z70, the futuristic flagship robot vacuum that does more than clean. It's the world's first mass-produced RoboVac with a built-in OmniGrip 5-axis mechanical arm, allowing it to move light obstacles like socks, tissues, sandals, and small clutter out of the way so it can clean areas most robots miss. It can even place selected items into designated zones through the app. Despite packing robotic arm technology, the Z70 keeps an ultra-slim 7.98 centimeters body, making it ideal for cleaning under beds, sofas, and low furniture where many robot vacuums cannot reach. It also delivers a powerful 22,000 Pascal Hyperforce suction system with dual anti-tangle brushes for dust, hair, and pet fur. Its upgraded Starsight autonomous system 2.0 uses AI cameras and sensors for highly accurate mapping, obstacle avoidance, and room navigation. The included multifunctional dock 4.0 automatically empties dust, washes mop pads, dries them, and handles routine maintenance for a near hands-free cleaning experience. Meet Trexo Wheels, the smart robotic tabletop dolly built for creators who want cinematic camera movement without bulky gear. Designed for smartphones, mirrorless cameras, action cams, and lightweight setups, it lets you create smooth slides, rotations, product shots, time lapses, and repeatable motion paths with professional precision. With support for payloads up to around 5 pounds, Trexo Wheels is ideal for mirrorless cameras, phones, and compact rigs. It features programmable movement directly on the unit or through the companion app, allowing you to set start/endpoints, circular paths, object orbits, and custom repeatable moves for flawless content every time. The built-in rechargeable battery and portable design make it perfect for studio desks, product tables, kitchen shoots, or travel filmmaking. Meet Speediance Gym Monster 2, the all-in-one smart home gym built to replace bulky equipment with one powerful AI-driven machine. It combines a cable machine, squat rack, rowing setup, Smith-style trainer, and digital weight system into a compact, foldable design, giving you a full commercial-style gym in your home. Perfect for strength training, fat loss, and daily fitness without needing multiple machines. Powered by dual motors, Gym Monster 2 delivers up to 220 pounds. Total digital resistance with precise 1-pound increments, making it suitable for beginners to advanced users. It features 4 smart resistance modes: standard, chain, eccentric, and constant, allowing everything from bodybuilding to rehab-style training. The built-in 21.5-inch full HD touchscreen guides workouts with real-time coaching, exercise demos, progress tracking, and personalized training plans. It includes 370-plus guided workouts, 60-plus programs, AI form assistance, and Instant 1 RM updates as you train. Its foldable footprint saves space, shrinking to around 2.69 square feet when stored, while transport wheels make it easy to move. No drilling. Meet Bluetti Handsfree 2, a next-gen backpack power station built for creators, adventurers, and field professionals who need real power on the move. It combines a rugged 60-liter ergonomic backpack with a built-in 512 watt-hour LifePO power station, giving you portable energy and gear storage in one system. At its core, it delivers 700 watts continuous output, 1,200 watts surge, with a 512 watt-hour battery, capable of running cameras, drones, laptops, LED lights, and even small appliances. The battery chemistry is built for longevity, rated for 4,000 plus cycles to 80% capacity, meaning years of daily use without major degradation. The entire power unit is also ultra slim at 7.5 kilograms total system weight, making it one of the most portable, all-in-one power plus storage solutions available. Meet Bluetti Elite 200V2, a high-capacity portable power station built for serious off-grid use, home backup, and outdoor power needs. It's designed to deliver near-generator level performance in a compact, battery-powered unit you can still carry and move around. At its core, it packs a 2,073.6 watt-hour battery, giving it long lifespan durability, rated for 6,000 plus charge cycles, roughly 10 to 17 years of regular use depending on conditions. This makes it far more durable than traditional lithium power station. On the output side, it delivers a strong 2,600 watt pure sine wave inverter with a 3,900 watt power lifting mode for high demand appliances like kettles, heaters, hair dryers, and power tools. It can run multiple devices at once, up to around 7 to 9 ports simultaneously depending on load. Meet OBSPOT Tiny 3, a compact AI-powered 4K PTZ webcam designed for creators, streamers, and professionals who want studio-level camera control from their desk. Despite its tiny size, approximately 63 grams, it delivers smooth 4K at 30 frames per second and up to 1080p at 120 frames per second. Powered by a large 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor for strong, low-light performance and sharp detail. It features advanced AI auto tracking 2.0, so the camera can follow your face or body automatically using a motorized pan and tilt gimbal. Combined with gesture and voice control, it allows hands-free framing during calls, live streams, or content creation. For audio, it includes a multi-mic array with spatial sound modes that help isolate your voice and reduce background noise, making it suitable for professional meetings and streaming setups. In short, Tiny 3 is basically a smart-moving webcam, compact enough for travel, but powerful enough to behave like a mini production camera for video calls, YouTube, and live streaming. Meet DJI Neo 2, a compact, beginner-friendly AI selfie drone built for easy flying, smooth tracking shots, and social media content creation. It weighs only around 151 to 160 grams, making it extremely portable and in many regions lightweight enough to avoid registration. Despite its size, it packs serious upgrades over the original Neo, focusing on simplicity, safety, and smart automation. Camera: 12 megapixels, 1/2-inch sensor with 4K video up to 60 frames per second, and up to 100 frames per second for slow motion in certain modes. Gimbal: upgraded 2-axis stabilization for smoother, more stable footage than entry-level drones. What makes the Neo 2 stand out is how hands-free and beginner-friendly it is. You can launch it from your hand, let it track you automatically, and capture cinematic footage without needing piloting skills.
We have reached to the end of the video. Do make sure to like and subscribe for more contents like this on Maxology. See you in the next video.